Help us feed the need.
Are you ready to feed the need?
Are you ready to feed the need? Fox is ready to feed the need.
Hello, Upper Bucks Christian School families. As you can see, we have the unique opportunity to help feed the need while funding discipleship here at our school. But we need your help. All the fun begins on Tuesday, March the 7th at 6 p.m. in our gymnasium. You're not going to want to miss this special evening. We're even giving away some very special prizes to a few lucky winners. See you there.
We are ready to feed the need.
We're ready.